Xiaomi is a brand that has made its mark in the world. Connected devices thanks to its ability to offer products at very competitive prices without sacrificing quality. And with the Xiaomi Smart Band 9, it continues on this path. This connected band, launched in the summer of 2024, perfectly embodies this philosophy. Offered at a starting price of €39, it targets those who are looking for a way to track their physical activity and health without spending a fortune. If you're looking for an affordable yet comprehensive product, this Smart Band 9 is worth your attention. All your attention. You will also find a link in the description. Feel free to take a look at it after the video. Every purchase made through this link directly supports the channel. When it comes to design, Xiaomi chose not to reinvent the wheel, but rather to make small improvements while keeping the spirit that made the series successful. The Smart Band 9 takes on the iconic elongated shape of its predecessors, with dimensions that are very close to those of the Smart Band 8. The case measures 46.5 by 21.6 and weighs just 15.8 grams without the band. These dimensions make the band particularly discreet and comfortable to wear every day, whether for sports or more casual use. This model remains versatile in terms of style, thanks to its many customization options. Xiaomi offers several colors for the original silicone band, but more importantly, the option to choose from different materials like nylon or a woven band, which adds a more fashionable or even more comfortable touch, especially if you wear it all day long. For athletes, Xiaomi has even designed accessories such as the running clip, which allows the case to be worn on the shoe for optimal tracking of your performance, whether you're an athlete or just looking for a functional and stylish band. The Smart Band 9 knows how to adapt to your needs. When it comes to features, the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 doesn't fall short. The screen is a standout feature with its 1.62-inch AMOLED display. The Smart Band 9's 1200 nits brightness surpasses the Smart Band 8's 600 nits. An automatic light sensor adjusts brightness. Where the Smart Band 8 offered 600 nits, the Smart Band 9 reaches 1200 nits, which guarantees impeccable readability, even in direct sunlight. The built-in light sensor automatically adjusts the brightness, which is a real plus, especially to avoid being blinded at night. You have access to an always-on mode, keep the watch face visible, and a wide range of customization options for the virtual watch faces. No less than 10 watch faces are already installed by default. But through the Mi Fitness app, you can download hundreds of others for free. This lets you change the look of the band based on your mood or needs. This band is also very well equipped with sensors. It comes with an accelerometer, a gyroscope, an optical heart rate sensor, and an ambient light sensor. Health tracking is at the heart of the features, with the ability to continuously monitor your heart rate, to measure the oxygen level in the blood, or to analyze sleep quality. These features turn out to be very accurate, especially for heart rate monitoring, where the Smart Band 9 has been tested. And compared to professional tools like the heart rate belt, Garmin H&M Pro Plus, it gets very similar results. When it comes to sports activities, you have the choice of over 150 modes, covering just about every type of sport you can think of. Running, swimming, cycling, yoga, hiking, or even more unique activities like dancing or jumping rope. And for the more demanding users, the Smart Band 9 is compatible with third-party apps like Strava, which allows you to sync your performance with your favorite platform. Navigating the Smart Band 9 is a breeze thanks to Xiaomi's in-house operating system. It's top-notch. Everything is done with simple gestures. Swipe down to access notifications. Swipe up to open the menu. Mainly, swipe left to right to check out the widgets and quick settings. This intuitive navigation is familiar to Android users, and the lack of a physical button on the band enhances its sleek design. To fully take advantage of the band, you need to pair it with the Mi Fitness app. That's where you'll find all your health and activity data. The app also lets you set up your notifications, customize the watch faces, and sync the mode. Don't disturb with your smartphone. The user experience is smooth and straightforward, even though some might wish that the OS allowed for the installation of third-party apps. When it comes to health tracking, the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 is a reliable companion. It analyzes your sleep, counts your steps, monitors your workouts, and sends you heart rate alerts. Too high or too low. While sleep tracking can sometimes seem a little over the top, heart rate tracking is extremely accurate. This makes it an excellent tool for athletes. Xiaomi Smart Band 9 versus Band 8. Screen brightness doubles from 600 to 1200 nits. The most significant improvement is the screen brightness, which has been doubled, going from 600 to 1200 nits. This difference is especially useful for users who train outdoors, providing much better readability. For first-time fitness tracker buyers, the Smart Band 9 is a compelling choice. It offers excellent value for money and a comprehensive product, especially when compared to competitors like the Huawei Band or Fitbit Inspire. Existing Smart Band 8 owners might not find enough reason to upgrade, but new buyers will appreciate its features. In particular, when you compare it to other models from competitors like the Huawei Band or the Fitbit Inspire. Where Xiaomi stands out is with its unbeatable value for money, but also with its ability to offer an ultra-complete product in this price range. However, the lack of built-in GPS could be a limiting factor for some users. In summary, the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 is an excellent fitness tracker at a great price. Its sleek design, bright display, and comprehensive health features make it a top choice for fitness enthusiasts. Despite lacking GPS and a microphone, it compensates with impressive battery life, lasting up to 21 days with moderate use and charging in just 1 hour. For under €40, it's a standout in the 2024 fitness tracker market. It can last up to 21 days with moderate use and has a quick charge time of just 1 hour. For under €40, it's hard to beat in the fitness tracker market in 2024. So, if you're tempted by this model, you'll find the link in the description. Every click and purchase through this link supports the channel, and I thank you for that. Don't forget to leave a comment to share your thoughts. To like the video and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Xiaomi.